So we're here at ChillN Nitrogen Ice Cream. We're a nitrogen ice cream store, so that means we flash freeze each individual serving of ice cream or frozen yogurt right in front of you, custom made to order. Nitrogen ice cream starts with our base. It's a mix of milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla bean. We then add your flavor. We have one of 12 different flavors. You can add one, you can add two, and mix them together. We put the flavor and the base together in a mixer and allow those to incorporate together, and then we start adding our liquid nitrogen into the mixer. It takes about 45 seconds, and then you're pretty much go from liquid to solid. Nitrogen is just an element that exists in the atmosphere. Naturally, it's in the air, makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. We use it in its liquid form, so it's about negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit as a liquid. Nitrogen tanks at ChillN are filled once a week, more often than not, depending on how much volume we're doing in the store. But typically, about once a week, we hold about 3,000 liters of nitrogen in the store at any one time. Nitrogen is just the most convenient thing to use to flash freeze. It doesn't have to be, nitrogen itself isn't giving any characteristic to the ice cream. It's just the fact that it's super cold and it's readily available and it's non-toxic, non-flammable, food safe. So that's why we use nitrogen versus using liquid helium or CO2 or something like that. A lot of people get confused with nitrogen when they see it in this liquid form. It can exist in 3 different phases, just like any element can, solid, liquid, or gas. We use it in the liquid form, so it actually looks like water, but it's actual nitrogen just in its liquid form, so it's clear. And it actually boils at negative 320 degrees, so that's why we have, when it's in its liquid form, it's so cold. Nitrogen ice cream is just the process of making ice cream with liquid nitrogen, so it's flash frozen rather than slowly churned like traditional ice cream is.